Hello, welcome to my channel. If you click this video, it's because you want to create a junk journal for 2025. Well, you are in luck because I created an advent calendar for us to craft for 24 days. Here's what we'll be doing. Let me show you a little bit with my current junk journal. We'll be using recycled materials as much as we can. We will create 4 signatures for each season. During those 24 days, I will be creating a craft daily and post it on social media. Of course, the advent calendar will show you what craft you'll be doing that day. We will be using pressed flowers, craft paper packaging materials, old coloring pages, printables, old book pages, cardboard, or anything that you can find around your house. The idea is to create the most eco-friendly junk journal possible that is easy to do and cheap. We'll create some organic dies, pockets, folders, journaling cards, DIY ephemera, DIY stickers from fussy cutting. We will preserve our nature finds. The idea of this challenge is to help you connect with nature, feel calm and creative. You can use this journal for anything that you want, especially for things related to outdoors. It will be awesome, like outdoors activities, memory keeping from traveling, also for gardening or agriculture, learning, art learning, and many other ideas. This activity will be beginners friendly, so do not worry. I'll be guiding you plus giving you freedom to create whatever you want. You use all that you have around your house. In addition to that, I will give you free resources from my shop. These are some of the free resources I will be giving you. Includes ephemera, ATC bag info, notes, washi tape, digital paper, lined pages, and much more. I already gathered some of the materials I will be using for these crafts. I want to invite you to do the same and create a box with everything that you want to use. I am so excited to start this challenge with you. I really hope you join me to create something amazing together. Hi, if you're interested in this challenge, just click the link below. I see you there. Thank you.